Here's a little trick with 4 queens, just to prove how very, very lonely I am. And what I'm going to do one at a time is I'm going to turn the queens face down, hopefully without you seeing. That's the plan, you see. So this one's gone already. But I could have done that when you weren't looking. Okay, we'll just twist the queens around like that, because it looks better. And then there's another one. Turn face down. Okay, I'm going to do this really slowly, because obviously I don't want any quick suspicious movements. There's the next queen turned face down, and if I twist like this, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 queens face down, which in itself is quite good, isn't it? But I'm going to turn them face up. Actually, we've got the queen there, but we've got the ace, the 8 and the 9 there, which leaves us with a question: where's the other queens? If I go halfway down the deck, there's 1, there's 2, and remember in this little mess here we've got the 9, the 8 and the ace. If I just rip that one in half there, we've got the 2 queens. Oh, thank you. There's 4 in there, not 2. 2 more, and there's them ones as well.